Okay, so I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while. It's been like a month since I uploaded anything. And then right now, I know I look a mess, but I mean, it doesn't matter. It really don't matter how I look right now. Because today we are going to be doing my own Brazilian. I always said that I was going to do it anyways in my last video where I had, because I had waxed my underarms. And then I said I was going to do my Brazilian. So yeah, in this video we just gonna wax my Brazilian. Y'all won't be able to see it, of course, because why would I do that? But we are gonna use the dermaplast again just to check if it's gonna be painless wax, if it works for that area. If you guys didn't see my last video, I used dermaplast for a painless wax for my underarms. I need to do my underarms again because it grew out. But we're not gonna do that in this video. I'm gonna just do that like in my own time. So once again, this is the dermaplast. It was a video or it was a TikTok that had went viral, and they said this is to numb it. And if you guys didn't see my last video, I used this for my underarms. So we're gonna try it for my Brazilian area, and let's see if it works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this on my Brazilian area. We're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Y'all, we're gonna get straight into it. My pot is ready and everything, so yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna cleanse my area first before I put the dermaplast on. Oh, it's cold. All right, y'all, I cleansed my area and now I'm just gonna spray it on. Okay, y'all, I just sprayed it on. So we're gonna wait 10 minutes and we're gonna jump right into it. All right, y'all, I am back. I spent like 20 minutes for this to numb, so probably like 23 minutes. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. So while I still have like the dermaplast on, I'm just gonna be putting on my powder. I gotta lay down while doing this. I did it, and now we're about to get started. I'm gonna use these sticks because I don't want to waste too much of my big sticks. So in these, I don't even use. So I'm gonna use some of these until it's time to switch over to like the other sticks, not the bigger sticks, but the ones that's close to this size. So, all right. I forgot to bring a trash can. Well, the trash can is all the way over there. I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible because I don't want to spend too much time trying to get some hair off. Oh my God. Here it comes. Oh my God. Alright, just rip it off, just rip it off, just rip it off, just rip it off. I can feel it. Oh my God. 1, 2. Oh my God. 1, 2. Whew. Okay. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. See, when it's pulling, when it feel like it's pulling, that hurts the most. There you go. Okay. Wasn't bad. It's this spot on my top area, and when I first waxed it, that hair hasn't grew back. Like, at all. It hasn't grew back at all. 1, 2. There you go. On top of that, I'm gonna use all this wax up. Okay, it's going okay so far. Y'all, we doing little strips, but it's cool. It's cool, y'all. We gonna get it done. I'm gonna use all this wax up because I got some more wax, some new wax that I wanted to try. So, well, I'm not really using all my blue wax up, but I have some leftover of, I had bought bubblegum wax bubblegum wax because I was like in an emergency. I didn't have no more wax, so I went to Ulta to go get some bubblegum wax. I poured some of that into the blue one. My leftover blue, the blue that's mixed in with the pink is the one that I'm using. The bubblegum wax, I mean, it was kind of weak, so, you know, 1, 2, 3. Whew. Okay. I have so much stuff to plan out for next month. I'm planning on doing vloggmas, but not every day, because I need work-life balance and I need time to edit too. So if I gotta go to work, I cannot do vlogmas every day. I'm gonna need time to edit, and when I come home from work and stuff like that, I'll be tired. So whew. 1, 2. Whew. I'm scared. 1, 2. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, it's not bad, y'all. It's not too bad. Okay. Whew. The hair that is like directly below the stomach, like that line, that hurts the most to me. It's the fact I can't even see right now. Like, my stomach gonna go down, y'all. It's gonna go down. 2. Whew. Still alive. Whew. I feel like it's working. I mean, I don't feel no after pain. Like, it doesn't hurt that bad. Like, when I do this without the dermablast, yeah, it was hurting. I had to finish halfway, but I feel like I'm getting through it pretty quick. So I found a way. I found a way. There you go. It's not bad, y'all. Sorry, y'all. It ain't even too much commentary in this video. I need somebody to edit my videos, cause however, with me being gone, you guys are still showing love, so I definitely appreciate that. Thank you everybody for subscribing to my channel. We're gonna make sure we come with bangers for vlogmas, and especially the new year. Yeah, the new year, I definitely plan on being way more consistent, doing way more videos, because I just want to do everything that I love to do. Y'all, we gonna be doing skincare videos every month, professional skincare videos, because I had came to the conclusion where I just need to go to somebody. How to like my eyes, like the circles. It could do like product, only using product. I need to figure out so much how to remove. I definitely want to work on my texture. I'm very oily, so imagine having to put on makeup every day just so you can hide your dark circles, you know? So as we're getting down there, closer down there, it's starting to hurt. If you guys have any waxing questions, go ahead and you guys can comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer you guys' questions about waxing. Okay. I promise y'all it's not bad. If you gotta do little strips, then do it. It don't even matter how long it's gonna take. Like, one thing that I can't wax is my butt. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. 2022, I'm gonna pray and hope that it's gonna be my year to get all my licks back, period. Whew. Whew. Oh my God, stuck. Oh my god, that hurted. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, that was a lot of hair. Oh, I'm almost done. Whew. Almost done. And it's been 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes so far. Oh my god. And every time, like, it don't even be that bad, like, but it's smooth, y'all. It's so smooth. The curly hair definitely hurts the most. Whew. One, two. Oh, so. One, two. One, two. Oh, okay, y'all, just to give y'all an update, like I said, I was almost done. What I'm gonna do is, since this is gonna be like almost an hour that I'm recording, I am gonna stop the video, and I'm not gonna show y'all like my results or anything like that. I wish y'all could see, but I mean, if you want to check out the results that I do with other people, you guys could always follow my business page at pretty in, just in, and then snatched, and then with an underscore under it. You guys can always follow my page. As far as like the dermaplast go, I feel like it does work. I feel like it does work to like a certain extent. It definitely doesn't hurt as bad. Like, if I was doing this with no dermaplast, like, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't finish. I feel like it worked. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm sorry, y'all, when I'm doing my Brazilian area, I have to focus. It was so nice coming back on YouTube, you know, checking in again and everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.